What's good, guys? Keaton here. So I don't know about you guys, but have you ever dropped your iPhone or any phone before, had a cracked screen, and then had to deal with it? It really sucks because once you have a cracked screen, that's not even the worst part. You have to deal with it for a few days, the glass starts coming up off the screen, starts poking your fingers. It's not really fun. And I don't know about you guys, but I've had a cracked screen on my phone ever since I remember getting a phone. So I got two of my cracked phones here, and I found this new app called Puls. Basically, you can book a repair person to come to your house, and they will fix up any phone, any tablet, really anything you have, and it's cheaper than Apple. So let's try it. So we're back in the studio right now, and in front of me I have 4 of my cracked iPhones, and I actually made a video on one of these, the only one that's not cracked. This one actually has a crack in between it. Basically, with this iPhone, I killed it using one of those iPhone fans. If you guys missed that video, I'll leave a link right up there. It's like this $2 iPhone killer. Just stay away from it.
Please tell me you are seeing this.
So basically how this works is you need to go onto a site called Puls. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And basically when you're here, this is how you book a repair. So you can book an iPhone repair. They actually do TV mounting, smart home stuff. So we're gonna book a service just for a phone repair. It's really dead simple. It's like 3 easy steps. So just select the device you have, iPhone. We're gonna be fixing up a 6S. I'm gonna enter my zip code, the color of your iPhone. So I got a space gray one here. And then, is your screen broken? Well, it's about to be broken. So yes, we can be there in a heartbeat. They show up the same day. Just look at all these time slots. 11 a.m. It's 10 a.m. right now. That means they're coming in an hour. So we're gonna go ahead and do that since I need some love here. I just gotta enter in my contact info and we're set. And here's the craziest part. At the top, you can actually see how much this repair will cost. So Apple wants to charge for a screen replacement of an iPhone 6S, $129. But Pulse only wants to charge $99. I just need to enter in my address now and then just any other instructions for him to find me or what he's gonna be getting himself into. Because let me tell you, we're about to destroy this phone. So I threw my address in there, we got the reservation time at the top, the phone, and I wrote, this phone is messed up pretty bad. Confirm location, oh, this is tight. So we got everything here. Now I can add a tempered glass screen protector for an extra $10 or a battery replacement for $49. But what's kind of crazy is Apple's doing a battery replacement for just $29 with the iPhone 6S. So you win some, you lose some. We're just gonna hit confirm details. Bam, just like that. Thanks, Keaton, we've received your request. Just got a text message. The phone specialist will be here in an hour. Whoa, he's coming real fast.
I am speed.
So now that I have my appointment all booked, let's jump into these 4 phones. So each of these phones has a problem with it. This one was the $2 iPhone killer. Seriously, go check out that video. This one's actually my personal iPhone 6S. And as you guys can see, show them my mistakes. Show them what Coachella will do to your phone.
Hey, bro, you go to Coachella? Where? Coachella!
I cracked it just a little bit. So I'm gonna get this one fixed up. This iPhone 7 Plus here, it really took a tumble. I got really upset. I got a bad text from someone and I just wasn't having it, so the phone took it. And this one here, I hit it with a hammer in one of the weird shopping videos. I'll leave that up there. It was like at Walmart with the screen protector. Now before our Pulse guy shows up, I can't make this easy on him. I'm actually gonna beat up a few of these phones, really make them bad, and see if he can still repair them and if it still costs me $99. So I think this 7 Plus is pretty safe to say there's nothing worse I could do. The only thing worse is pulling this screen off, which I don't want to do. I actually want this phone to work. The 6S though, the 6S and this 6S, we got a 6S Plus here in the middle. It's time to beat these up and see what's really good. So we got a hammer. We're gonna take it to this one first. You saw that. Everyone here saw that. I hit that pretty hard and it just took it. It just took it. There's no cracks on that screen at all. Let's try it one more time. You saw it again. No screen protector or anything on this 6S. Maybe it's a sign. Maybe it's a sign that this Pulse guy is not gonna be able to fix this one, whatever's wrong with it. I don't know. All right, I have a feeling if we go. Wow, you saw it. I even took the back end of the hammer. I don't know what that's called. Let me know in the comments what that's called. Oh, there's the money shot. I was like, 4th time's gotta be a charm. So we got a cracked 6S. Still works. Like imagine if this was you. You'd have to deal with this for the rest of Coachella. I bet this Pulse guy would even come out to like music festivals. All right, so we got a cracked 6S. We got a pretty cracked 6S here. Now what I want to try is breaking something off in the headphone jack or even the lightning port.
Damn, son.
It's not something you would do. It's a pretty sick thing to even think of. Like, what monster would do that? I'm that monster. So let's try to break this off. And just like that, we rip the lightning port right off. And it's in the 6S forever now. Look at that. All right, we got that going. Now let's try to mess with the headphone jack now. I'm gonna break this off. Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna tell them it's an antenna, and this is how we get that 5G LTE. Bam. I think we've done enough damage. Wow. There we go. Now we've done enough damage. Let's wait for the Puls guy. So about an hour later, my Puls guy showed up. This is Constantine. Nice to meet you. What's good, dude? Dude, he just came out. He's chilling. So we're gonna fix 3 phones. We got the 2 cracked 6Ss and then the 7 Plus here. So he's gonna do his magic. He's gonna do his thing. Vote up in the iCard real quick if you think he's gonna be able to pull this off. You seem confident.
We'll see. We'll figure it out right now.
He got it. He's gonna do his thing. So let's time lapse it and see how this goes.
So my boy Constantine just left. Let's review some of his work. So he did 3 phones, a 7 Plus, a 6S, and another 6S. This 6S doesn't turn on. I should have realized that. I killed it with the $2 iPhone fan. Make sure you guys check that video out. It's really deadly, actually. This 6S does work, and then this 7 Plus, it turns on. You get the Apple logo, but since the frame is so cracked and bent, I need to take this into Apple and get it professionally done. So here's the 6S. Screen doesn't feel bad, doesn't really feel any different. There's not anything noticeable on the surface that would tell me, hey, I'm rocking a fake screen. Works just fine. For 99 bucks, you're saving 30 bucks over Apple. I don't know what this does to your warranty, so just keep that in mind, but I'm pretty happy with this. So yeah, guys, if you want $15 off your first order, this video is no way sponsored. I'll leave a link down below or just use code TechSmartt. Get your stuff repaired. That's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you guys drop a like if you guys enjoyed this style. Subscribe if you're new and follow me on Instagram. It's popping over there. You guys saw behind the scenes of this early. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.